Okay.
Happy birthday, Tita. I love you so much.
If it was summer, I might say bug
What?
Western.
What will you say to Auntie Tina?
Happy birthday.
What are you talking about? What happened?
What?
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, sige, you sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Auntie Tina. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
I
birthday.
love you.
I love you, Lala.
Enjoy your birthday.
Enjoy your birthday. Happy golden years.
Five fishes want to say hi to you.
I love you. Say kiss. O, de. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit.
De.
Hi, happy birthday, Tina darling. I miss you. I want you here. Well, I'm going back to the Philippines in October. I'm really gonna miss you. Ha? Hindi ka diri sa kwan sa speakers?
Message.
Ha?
Message.
Message? Many happy returns of the day. May you have the best of luck today, tomorrow, and every day.
The fishes want to say hi to you, so.
Message ka muna kay Mami Tins. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tina. Tin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, you video, Mami. Hello, Mami Tins. Happy birthday. Sorry, wala akong lipstick ang iyong anak. Anyways, ano ba? Nasa'yo na lahat eh. So, happy birthday na lang. Enjoy your day. I love you. Bye.
And the fishes want to say hi to you.